Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my Ipsy OG, the original, the Glam bag, the original. Let's get into it and check it out. In this bag, we will have 5 products, one of which was chosen by me by a selection that they gave me. The other 4 chosen by them. They promised deluxe samples. Sometimes we get full-sized items. Full-sized items, they tend to be brushes or maybe a lippy, nail polish, that kind of thing. But as a rule, we will have deluxe samples. It gives you a chance to get out there and maybe try things that you haven't tried. I think that was the original plan of it. So I actually enjoy it. As a girl with super sensitive skin, I am happy to have a way to try things that doesn't necessarily commit me to a bottle or make me feel bad if I need to not use it after I start it. So I like, ooh, so pretty. I like deluxe samples. This is a super pretty bag. This is Marilyn Monroe this month, and that is absolutely gorgeous. I'll be putting that in my bag. I am doing another one of my health journey updates on Thursday, and I open up a new purse in that. This is gonna be so cute in it. So all 5 of my products fit in here. Most months in the original we get paperwork, and most months, watch this be the one that doesn't. Yes, it does. Most month we also have the products that we have inside and a little bit of information about them. That said, if you don't receive this, Ipsy has a really great app where you can go in, you can do all of your customization choices, whether it's for this or the extra or the ultimate. You can do all of your choices in there. They tell you a little bit about everything you're getting. You can see your account. It's just a really great app. So if the information isn't on your card, which this would be the only one that it is, the other 2, don't even pretend like they're really giving you information on what you chose. But this one does. So we're just gonna reach in and dive right at it. This is the Beauty for Certain. It's a little cutie. It is the Beauty for Certain Lip and Cheek Stick in Strawberry Sorbet. That sounds like me. The shea butter packed bar melts into cheeks and lips to deliver an effortless berry pink statement. No brushes are required for this creamy, blendable formula that provides a seamless glow in seconds. It's the ultimate one-swipe wonder for your daily routine. This is full-sized, and they say it has a $25 value. So see, right away, we have a full-sized item. About a week ago, I took a little bit of a sunburn, which I know is the worst. Trust me, I have spent my entire life avoiding the sun. I run from the sun. I never want to be out in it. But what I discovered when I took on that little bit of color is, do I need blush? I am a very, very red girl. You know what I mean? This is me. I have no blush on today. None. Got it. I have on contour or bronzer. Honestly, I'm never real sure what the difference between those are either, but this is the Rare Beauty one. I also have the Merit one. The Rare Beauty has a little more color than my Merit one. I can't get this to quit sticking to me. So when I am out here taping, I tend to use the Rare Beauty one because I get a little more contrast than with my Merit one. Anyway, my point being is I've just been using foundation and that, and not even putting a blush on because this is me with no blush. That said, I'm sure I will go back to using blushes off and on. That is a gorgeous color. Very pretty. No scent that I can see. I'm gonna put a little bit on my, oh my goodness. I said I was gonna put a little bit on my finger, but apparently I'm gonna put a lot on my finger, and we will just put it onto the back of my hand and then blend it out. Sometimes when they're meant to be lips and cheeks, I find them to be too greasy. I'm like, yeah, there's no way I would put that on my cheeks. But this blended out. It did not leave me feeling greasy. Oh, it's pretty though. I hope that is coming across. It is very nice and pink. I don't have much lip color on. Let's just tap. Just tap a little on there. Can you tell? Did it make a difference? It is not greasy. I like that very much because when they say lip and cheek and then you go to tap them in and they're greasy, I just can't abide by that. I like the flush. I'm just really blending it out. I can get into it and it's still, there was so much that I really like the color of that flush. I mean, it's basically the color of my flush. And again, not at all greasy. So I will 100% play with that. That's kind of fun. Next out, we have some kind of mask, I would say. It is a Olivia Uma Milky Resurfacing and Brightening. I cannot resurface or brighten. Both of those things both offend and scare my face very much. If you are new to the channel, I am super duper sensitive. I can't use any acids, lactic, glycolic. I can use hyaluronic, but as a rule, I can't use any of the acids. I can't use retinols, vitamin A's, that kind of thing. So anything that brightens, resurfaces, gets rid of age spots, any of that is a red flag for me. I know I can't use it. But this is from Olivia Uma Milky Resurfacing and Brightening Toner Pads. These versatile pads function as a toner, serum, or hydrating mask to deliver a clear glass skin finish. Soaked in bakuchiol, so that is like a plant-based type retinol ingredient, the milky formula gently resurfaces and brightens for a visibly even tone, offering a Korean-made secret for a refreshed, plump, and glowing complexion. The full-size version of this would be a 60 count and it would be $48. We have 7. So we have about 1/9, which would take us to just a little between $5 and $6. But it's a great way to try it if you can use resurfacing things. I like the idea of toner pads. I guess I could use them on the back of my hands. My hands. That's where my age is starting to show. And it does not make me, I mean, not that it's not showing in my face. I'm not saying that at all, but I feel like my hands are betraying me before my face. Okay, next out I have Bad Girl Bang. So we have some mascara. This is from Benefit Beauty and it says, get big volume and zero weight with this cult favorite smudge proof mascara. The water resistant formula lifts and builds every single lash without a heavy feel or traditional product. It ensures your voluminous, comfortable look stays perfectly in place from morning to night. If it was full-sized, it would be 8.5 grams and it would be $29. We have 3 grams, so a little less than half, so probably about $12 worth. I will set this aside. I know one of my granddaughters, and I can't remember sitting here right now which one it is, enjoys the Benefit Bad Girl Bang. So I think that this is the one they like. I will show you this because I'm sure one of them, I love that. Just a small, that's exactly what I like in a mascara, but I will set this aside for one of them. I just love my Thrive Cosmetics mascara too much. Next out we have a liner. It is a Misco Beauty Transfer Proof Lip Liner in Most Wanted. Shea butter in a lip liner? Yes. And your pout will thank you for the creamy, comfortable glide. This transfer-proof cool nude rose formula stays put all day to provide crisp definition that simply does not quit. Achieve a perfectly shaped, smudge-proof look that takes you from subtle to statement. This is full-sized and it has a $18 value, I think. For some reason, they've put all of the values in a very light pink, so it's tough to see. Nude rose sounds exactly like me. That's what it looks like when we get it out. Let's see what, oh. There we go. Let's put it here where our nice blush is. Oh, that is creamy. That left a line so easily. It was so nice and creamy. Oh yeah, I like that color a lot. It's definitely a color for me. I will full on enjoy that color. We have had this brand in other bags and I like it very much. I don't remember how well it stays. We'll leave that. We'll open our other product and then we'll come back to it and see if it's solid. What do we have here? We have Soothe Cleansing Milk from Acar. Let's see what this is. Again, Acar Skin Soothe Cleansing Milk. This soft, milky cleanser provides a calming veil of moisture that gently breaks down impurities and drenches parched, sensitive skin. It effectively lifts away dirt and makeup while leaving your complexion feeling fresh, clean, and comfortable. It says to use on your dry skin before wetting for deep cleanse. And if it were full-sized, it would be 150 ml and $75. We have 15 ml, so we have a tenth, so this is $7 worth. Well, first of all, let's see if this... It just exploded all over me and my shirt and everything. So, fair warning, if you get this in your box and you haven't gotten it yet and you haven't done what I just did, it's all over me and everything. Oh no, it won't stop. It smells really nice, which is great. Oh my gosh. It's a little disappointing. This is a fairly new shirt. I hope it comes out. So the lippy, oh wow, it really didn't move. Can you guys see it right there? I was just going back and forth over it. It didn't move. I thought we would try this on it and see if it made it come off. It does not. So I don't know what that says about the lippy or this cleanser. It says the lippy is great. It makes the cleanser a little more questionable. I mean, it's not, I just put a junk ton on there. It's not taking it off. I mean, it's not taking it off. Okay, well, I'm gonna go. Thanks for coming by. I have a whole lot of this all over me. Did I get it on my cute new bag? Oh, good. I didn't seem to have gotten it on my bag also. We got this cute bag this month, and then in it, I got that nice cleanser. I'm not gonna lift everything up because I'm covered in goo. I got the nice cleanser, that Misho, the lip liner that, I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and give 2 thumbs up to the lip liner and a questionable to the cleanser, which doesn't seem to be moving it at all. We got the toning pads that I can't use because they are brightening and resurfacing. We got the Bad Girl Bang from Benefit, which is a lovely mascara. And I got that really cute pink cheek and lip stick from Beauty for Certain. So I'm very happy with what I was sent this month. I'm a little less happy that I am completely covered front to back and everywhere. I am completely covered in that cleanser, which I cannot give any thumbs up because it did not even begin. Hey, is it taking off the, I was gonna see if it took off that beauty stick that I put on my lips. So I won't be recommending the cleanser, but other than that, it smells really good. Maybe it says it doesn't work. If I go put water on this and all of a sudden everything disappears, I will let you know in the comments. Okay, thank you for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope I will see you again really soon. Thursday, we will do a health journey update. I have a few products to show you in that. And I will see you again really soon, guys. Have a great evening. Take care.